Go ahead and take a deep breath in through your nose and then out through your mouth. Good. And just sink in nice and gentle. Good.
Ooh.
Okay. Go ahead and take another deep breath in and out. Good. Let your shoulders sink in. Let it all go. Okay, so another deep breath in and out. Lean back. Good. Good. So take a nice soft breath in and out. Good. Gentle, gentle little stretch here. Okay, nice soft breath in and out. Good. Good. One more, a little bit lower now. That was the S1, now the S4. Good. Let it go. Let your hips go. There you go.
Breath in again. And out. Chest relax all the way.
Yeah. Get it.
Let's go. Breathe in. And out. Right there. Wow. A little stiffer up there, huh?
Yeah.
Big breath in. And out. Hips relaxed. Wow.
Ooh. Yeah.
That's big.
That was a good one.
Yeah, come on over this way. Bring the top leg, the bottom leg goes straight. Hips relaxed. Perfect, just like that. I'm gonna bring these arms just a little bit different. Right there, thank you, my dear. Head back a little bit. And we're gonna breathe in. Drop your hips. Yeah.
Yay.
Smooth.
Some ribs out right here. You see them?
What do you mean? What do you mean?
What do you mean? It means you're twisted. Like Keith Sweat. There we go.
Totally normal.
This one goes here. And we'll pull this arm out. Give yourself a big hug right there. And then we'll bring it all the way over.
Uh-oh.
There we go. And then the other way. Go right there, same thing.
Oh.
Almost.
Oh!
Perfect. Okay, lay on your back.
Take a deep breath in and out. Good. One more time. And out. Good. And bring one arm up and over. Bring the other arm up and over for me. Good. Keep your thighs to the table. Okay, so we're going to start with the lower one first, and then we're going to get that upper one here, okay? I want you to look over the shoulder for me. Good. Let's get this upper one. There we go. How'd that feel? Let me have you flip to the other side. Good, good. We're just gonna bring that shoulder back. Just like that. Perfect. Bring them out like that for me. Perfect. All right. So I'm gonna bring one hand up and over, the other one up and over. Bring your hands on top of mine. Yes. So I'm gonna lean you back. I got you. Squeeze your elbows together. Good.
Now, super flexible. We need to really isolate the joint. Super flexible, and we want to set it right there at the sacrum. That was a great miss. There you go. That's a piece. Joking, but not. There we go. A little more. There you go. 10. I'm going to set 10, thumb right on the spinous, using a thumb pisiform. Let's take it down all the way. There it is. Good. Good. A little more. Gotcha.
A lot.
A lot, yeah.
Relaxes.
Let this drop. Other side, please. Morgan's got the routine down. There you go. On your back, please. Drive. Just like it is to adjust Morgan. Both are awesome.
Pode respirar bem fundo. Solta o ar. Vai soltando, solta, solta. Ótimo, muito bom. Isso aí. Respirou? Solta o ar, vai soltando, solta. Ótimo, muito bom. Pode respirar bem fundo. Solta o ar, relaxa. Ótimo. Muito.
Good. Let's go right there first. All right, I'm gonna have you breathe in and out for me. Good. Good. Nice. Let's go here. I'm gonna have you breathe in, hold your breath in. Good. Out. Good. Okay, we'll go right here now. Go ahead, breathe in and out again. Good. Relax. I feel okay?
Yes. Much. Hurts so good.
Yeah, that's the kind I like to. All right, roll with me this way, just a touch. Good, keep that nice and relaxed here. Perfect. Good. Good. Good, nice and relaxed here. Good, one more. Good. Okay, now on your back.
Take a deep breath in and exhale out. There we go. One more time with that. Deep breath in and out. Good. Okay. There we go. Good. And then we're going to flip to the other side. Bring the top leg up. Good. And then lay flat on your back.